Unlocking the meaning of to recall, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, which is the phrase, to recall. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding how to use this phrase correctly can significantly enhance your language skills. So, let's dive in and explore the meaning and usage of to recall. To recall is a phrase that can be used in various contexts, and it generally means to bring something back into one's mind or to remember something. However, it can also mean to officially order someone to return to a place, or in the case of products, to request the return of a defective or unsafe product. When used in the context of memory, to recall means to remember something from the past. For example, I was trying to recall the name of the movie we watched last night. She has an incredible ability to recall facts and figures for her exams. In these sentences, to recall is about bringing back information from one's memory. To recall can also be used in more official or formal contexts. For example, the government decided to recall the ambassador due to the diplomatic crisis. The company had to recall thousands of toys because of a safety issue. In these examples, to recall means to officially order someone to return or to request the return of a product. Sometimes, learners get confused between to recall and to remember. While they are similar, to recall often implies an effort to bring back a memory or information, whereas to remember can be more passive. And that wraps up our discussion on to recall. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of this phrase for you. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use to recall in your own sentences and conversations. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.